Mr. Kamal Farooqi just joins us now. Mr. Farooqi, we were just speaking earlier. There's a slight nervousness or worry in either of the camp that you've gauged in the Aam Aadmi Party camp or BJP. Which one do you think seems more upbeat? Which one seems a little wary at this time?
No, I think your statement is half correct, half wrong. As far as the worry is concerned, definitely. BJP camp, they are worried, and yesterday, not only yesterday, if you kindly watch them for the last more than 10 days, every day they are doing something which is boomerang on them. Even yesterday's Bukhari's episode, absolutely, it boomerang, because everybody knew it, whether they have done it or not done it. But unfortunately,
Are you saying there was a tacit understanding between the Shahi Imam and BJP against the Aam Aadmi Party?
maybe Congress, maybe BJP, because ultimately who is going to gain? And what was the need for the finance minister immediately? Within the seconds he came out. Of course, he was already there on the. These BJP people are saying that already it was a planned press conference. But the first thing which he said about the polarization, that I have already said it. Anybody who has said like this, so what actually they are trying? They are trying
The
to.
polarization charges against the Aam Aadmi Party that you went and had this clandestine meeting. They met Tauqir Raza Hussain before the last election.
Tauqir Raza Khan is a dead chapter now. It's no more there. They have already clarified it. So you cannot bring it again and again like that. But as far as Bukhari is concerned, everybody knows it. Bukhari is irrelevant. Muslims don't vote again according to him. But still, the way they tried up the whole thing, and entire BJP, Sitaraman, all other people, even our finance minister, all those people, the way they jumped on it, I think it boomerang on them. That because the public in general don't want it to. There is a very seasoned, very reasonable and very understanding kind of voter. Even the sabzi wala to the office goer, they understand what is the plan.